Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Aman, and today I'm going to take your English class. So, today our topic is about past perfect tense, but let's discuss what will be the objective of our class. So, our objective is to focus on developing your communication skill, critical thinking, and creativity. So, let's come to the main topic, which is past perfect tense. So, when we want to describe two actions of the past when one of them had been completed just before the beginning of the other, the first action which had been completed should be expressed in past indefinite tense. For example, the patient had died before the doctor came. The second example is the train had left before I reached the station. We use the past perfect tense for an action completed before a certain point in a past or before another action happened. So there are some uses of past perfect tense. So it is used to show the order of events in a past. By the time I arrived, they had already left. In this sentence, we know that their departure happened before the speaker arrived, making it clear that the arriving was a second event. The second example is when one action is finished before another action occurs. She had completed the task before the meeting started. The completion of the task is shown as being finished before the meeting began. With the time expression, such as before, by the time, already, after, when. By the time I woke up, they had already gone. The second example is I had never seen such a beautiful sunset before. The fourth one used is in reported speech. He said that he had eaten lunch before going to the park. So, past perfect is used to report something that happened before another past action. So, there is a difference between simple past and past perfect tense. So, difference between past simple and past perfect is that the past simple is used to talk about action that happened at a specific point in a past, while the past perfect is used to talk about action that were completed before something else in a past. For example, uh, first of all, we will consider past, simple past. I went to the store yesterday. This action happened at a specific time yesterday. The past perfect, I had gone to the store before I saw her. This action of going to the store happened before seeing her. So we use the past perfect to show this order. In summary, the past perfect tense is used to describe actions that were completed before another action in a past. By using had and the past participle, we can already show the sequence of past events. This tense helps us avoid confusion when talking about multiple actions in a past and allow us to tell stories or explain situation in a clear and structured way. So, there is a basic structure of how to make a past perfect tense. So, the structure is first of all, we use subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. For example, he had taken a bath. They had reached Lahore before the sun rise. The structure of past perfect tense. To form the past perfect tense, we use the following structure. First of all, subject plus had plus past participle of verb. Here, the word had is always used with all subject like I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and it is followed by the past participle form of main verb. The past participle is often the same as simple past form for regular verb, but for irregular verb it can be different. For example, we reached the station at 4:45, but the train had already left. The second example is the sun had risen when I got up. Let's talk about regular verb and irregular verb. So regular verb, I had finished my work. Finished is a past participle of finished. Irregular verb, she had gone to the store. Gone is a past participle of go. So, so there are some example of past perfect tense. So the first one is affirmative sentence. How we will make affirmative sentence. Like if I say I had eaten my breakfast before I went to school. This shows that eating breakfast happened before going to school. And what will be the negative of past perfect tense? First of all, we use subject plus had plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Like they had not reached Lahore before the sun rise. The second example is they had not taken a bath. What will be the interrogative of past perfect tense? So the structure is, first of all, we use had plus subject plus verb, third form of verb plus object plus question mark. For example, had the patient died before the doctor came? The second example is, had he taken a bath? The Had they already left when you arrived? This question asks if they had already left before you arrived. Had she ever been to that restaurant before the dinner? This asks if she had visited the restaurant before the dinner.